To finish up your project, we're going to put the board and the LEDs into a little 3D printed case that I've provided. And this is really pretty straightforward process. You take the enclosure and you take the LEDs. The LEDs are going to go in the circular portion, just like that. They just slip in. Then there's the bottom part, which has two slots that you press fit, just like that. And then you could take your fiber optics and place your fiber optics right on the top. It's a press fit also. If it does get loose, just a little dab of super glue is all you'll need. If you turn on your unit, you should see, in this case the last mode was flashing, and the mode button, or this external switch that you have, will change the different modes. So all the different effects. There's a stoplight effect right there. So the mode button, the external button you've programmed, will change the color effect, but it will not turn the unit on and off. The on and off is still handled through the battery pack's on-off switch. If you would like to mount this onto the battery pack to have a nice little stable unit, I have included some Velcro dots that you can attach. Just attach one set to the battery pack and one set to the bottom of it, and it'll Velcro right on. You could use double-face tape, you could use hot glue if you wanted to, or super glue. It's up to you. So there you go. You've made it through learning to solder, and you have learned how many AT toys are converted with these little pigtails. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you found it educational. And go out there and start modifying toys, because there's a huge need for it. Thanks for watching.